Hello friends, welcome to Rocking Cindy channel. Today we are going to present a tutorial on how to download Telegram for PC. First of all, there are many tutorials available on eBay which gives guides on how to download Telegram on PC, but they are not most accurate enough. So today we are going to provide accurate and most working guide on how to download Telegram on PC. We are going to present two methods for that. Both are working enough. So the very first step is to download BlueStacks. BlueStacks is an Android emulator which allows us to play and run any type of Android application or game on PC. So here is the download URL for BlueStacks. I have given this URL in description. So look after that. Yeah, I have already downloaded BlueStacks, so there is no need for me to download BlueStacks. Here it is. It will take some time to load, so don't worry. Okay, so after BlueStacks is completely loaded, here is the search icon. You have to click on that and then search for Telegram. Okay. Just click on this first option, click on install, accept. It will take some time for downloading Telegram on our PC depending on your internet connectivity. Okay, great. So it is downloaded and now it is installing into my PC. Here I am getting a notification from BlueStacks that Telegram has been installed. Perfect. So to run Telegram, you have to again go into your home page, which is here. I have clicked that, and here you can see Telegram into BlueStacks software. Just click on that. Perfect. Start messaging. So now you have to register or sign up accordingly. So this was the first step, first method of downloading BlueStacks into your computer. And here I am going to present the second method, which is a which is actually an unofficial method to run Telegram into your PC. But I think there is no problem in running this software also because it is great enough. I have already used it into my PC. You have to just click on download here. On this website I have given this URL into my description also. Okay, I have already installed this into my PC. So let me just give you a bit review about it. Here it is. So what is the actual benefit of using this unofficial Telegram software onto your PC is you can run Telegram Messenger both on your mobile as well as PC, which is not the case with WhatsApp. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this guide. Once again, keep visiting Rocking Cindy channel.